Hello everyone. Today I am back with another funny bug that I totally didn't spend way too much time on fixing. I updated my project to 5.8 and suddenly the enhanced input system stopped functioning. So let's get through everything. The simple code is here, everything should be working, everything is set up as on the previous version, and everything is set up here as on the previous version again. Well, I went through everything and all looks fine till I noticed something. Somehow everything landed in the mapping profile overrides and default key mappings is empty. So, shift right click, copy what's in the mappings, shift left click to paste, delete this one, we won't need it, and now it's working. So yeah, this is definitely a fun one. I hope I was able to spare a headache for you. Have a good day. Bye.